The question is, when fresh fish is dried becomes 1/3 of its weight, how much dried fish you will get when they plan to dry 6000 kg of fresh fish? So 1 kg of fish, if dried, it will give you or yield you just 1/3 of its weight, which is 1/3 kg. So the question is, how much fish you will get when you dry 6000 kg of fresh fish? So this is your mathematical version of the problem. Now you have brought the problem into mathematical version of direct proportion, correct? So now it is very easy. You can solve by formula. This number divided by this number into the number above the question mark, which is 6000 divided by 1 into the number above the question mark is 1/3, which is nothing but 6000 into 1 is equal to 6000, and 3 into 1s are 3. 6000 by 3 is how much? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. Here 3 zeros will be appended. So 2000 kg of dried fish you will get when Mean Car family is drying 6000 kg of fresh fish. So 1 kg, 1/3 kg. 6000 kg, you will get 2000 kg of dried fish. Now let's get into the next problem. Florama. Florama buys fresh fish at rupees 15 per kg and she sells dried fish at rupees 70 per kg. See, she is buying fresh fish at a lesser cost, that is 15. But she is selling the dried fish at a higher cost per kg, which is rupees 70. Why? Because she is doing all the process in the fish drying factory, like washing the fresh fish, and then drying with the help of bamboo rack, then cutting through that knife tray set, etc, etc. Last class we studied, right, how much is the total cost coming for setting up a fish drying factory. Yes, so with the help of that fish drying factory and the materials in that, like cement tank, bamboo rack, etc., she is converting the fresh fish into dried fish, and for that process only she is costing more, which is rupees 70 per kg. Okay, now let's get into the question. When Florama buys 6 kg of fresh fish, how much dried fish she will get? This is the question. So 1 kg of fresh fish will yield 1/3 kg of dried fish. So 6 kg of fresh fish, how much dried fish it will yield? This is the mathematical version of the direct proportion problem. We convert it into a direct proportion mathematical version. So come on, apply the formula. Number below divided by number above into the number above the question mark, which is 6 by 1 into 1/3, which is nothing but 6 1s are 6, 3 1s are 3. What is 6 by 3? 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. So 2 kg. The answer is, if Florama buys 6 kg of fresh fish, she will get 2 kg of dried fish. Okay, now we will see the profit formula. Profit, how much Florama is earning when she sells dried fish compared to fresh fish. It's nothing but selling price minus buying price. That's all. This is the simple formula for profit. So here, how much Florama earns? Selling price is what? 70 per kg. Buying price is how much? 15. So per kg, what is the profit she is earning? 70 minus 15, which is nothing but rupees 55 is the profit that she is earning for per kg of fish. Okay, why I thought profit formula is, which is selling price minus buying prices. The actual question is how much Florama gains or profited by buying 6 kg of fresh fish and converting it into 2 kg of dried fish and selling that 2 kg. Got the question? How much Florama profited by buying 6 kg of fresh fish and converting it into 2 kg of dried fish and selling the same? Okay, now this is buying side and the other side is the selling side, correct? So now we will see for how much she bought 6 kg of fresh fish and how much she sold 2 kg of dried fish. Then we will come to know how much she is profited, which is selling price minus buying price. Okay. Now I'll repeat the question. How much Florama gets profited or gained by buying 6 kg of fresh fish, converting it into 2 kg and then selling the 2 kg of dried fish? So this is your buying side. This is your selling side. Come on, calculate the price for buying side. 1 kg of fresh fish is how much? Rupees 15. So how much is 6 kg? This is your mathematical version of the problem, correct? I mean direct proportion. So 6 divided by 1 into number above question mark is 15, which is nothing but 15 into 6. You know multiplication. You have studied in your previous classes, right? 15 into 6. 6 5s are 30. 3 is carryover. 6 1s are 6 plus 3. 7, 8, 9. So the answer is rupees 90. 90 is your buying price. Okay, what is your selling price? Let's get into selling price calculation. 1 kg of dried fish, Florama sells at rupees 70. How much is 2 kg? Again, this is your mathematical version of direct proportion problem. 2 number below divided by number above into number above the question mark, which is 70, which is nothing but 2 into 70 is equal to rupees 7 2s are 14. This 0 appended, rupees 140. So now you got the selling price is rupees 140, buying price is rupees 90. Apply the formula. Selling price minus buying price, which is nothing but 140 minus 90 is equal to rupees 50. So how much Florama profited? Rupees 50 she profited when she buys 6 kg of fresh fish and converting the same to 2 kg and selling 2 kg of dried fish. Rupees 50. Whatever we did in the whiteboard, the same is given here. See, we dry 6 kg fresh fish to get dash kg dried fish. Come on, you know the answer. 6 kg fresh fish will give 1/3 of 6. How much? 2 kg. For 6 kg fresh fish, we have to pay how much? Yes, the answer is 90. How? 6 into 15. We will sell 2 kg of dried fish and get 2 into how much? 70 is equal to rupees 140. 2 into 70 is equal to rupees 140. So 140 is selling price, 90 is buying price. So what is the profit? That is what the next question is. So if we dry 6 kg of fresh fish, we will earn 140 minus 90 is equal to rupees 50. The next question, take it as a homework. So for 6 kg of fresh fish, the profit is 50. How much 6000 kg? For 6000 kg of fresh fish, how much is the profit they will earn? I mean Florama will earn. You know, right? How to do? Yes, the same way how we did for 6 kg. First, for 6000 kg, how much will be the dried fish? You know, 1/3 of 6000 is equal to 2000. So for 6000 kg, what is the buying price? I mean for 6000 kg of fresh fish, what is the buying price? For 2000 kg of dried fish, what is the selling price? Apply the formula, selling price minus buying price. Come on, do it as your homework. And you can comment below the answers. I'll tell you whether your answer is right or wrong. Hi 5th grade students, hope you're enjoying my sessions. Totally we completed 3 sessions on the fishtail story. What are all things we learned is direct proportion, number 1. Number 2 is how to do the cost calculation per line item and total. I mean total is nothing but addition of cost of all line items. And third is today we learnt about profit calculation, which is nothing but selling price minus buying price. So with this I'm completing the fishtail chapter. Hope you guys enjoyed and learnt in a fun-filled way. Try to practice more problems from your textbook and from other books as well, other practice books as well. We will go into the next chapter in the next class. Until then, it's bye from your beloved Hari.